heard that there's a fine line between the numerator and the denominator, but that only a fraction of the people actually get that. Oh, that's an Einstein joke. But you know, Einstein did say some really cool things. He said one that I've always liked, that if you keep doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result, he called that, you guessed it, insanity. Well, if we're getting the same sort of results year after year, or maybe we've even got some declining revenue, some loss of customers, a decreasing monthly average lab bill, or something like that, try doing something different. Reach out. Find something like TravelFlow. Look at something that's a loyalty program that will help retain some of your best customers and insulate them from your competition, or grow their monthly average lab bills, or maybe even be attractive enough to help you be that last little thing that moves you over the hump in getting a new customer. Doing the same things over and over again and expecting a different result is nuts. And using something like TravelFlow, it's just genius.